Welcome to Star Technology 5G. If you want to be a freelancer and are wondering what skill you should learn, web design and development are the best options. Web design is an essential skill in today's digital economy. The Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates a 15% increase in job availability, so this field will grow throughout the decade. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional website for you and your client and earn thousands of dollars. Let's start the video. What is a website? A website is a collection of related material that contains text, images, and may also include video, audio, or other media. A website can be as simple as a few static pages or as complex as several web applications running simultaneously, and everything in between. What is a web page? A website has a collection of linked web pages plus their associated resources that share a unique domain name. Each web page of a given website provides explicit links most of the time in the form of clickable portions of text that allow the user to move from one page of the website to another. Search engine. A search engine is a special kind of website that helps users find web pages from other websites, such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo are search engine. Search engines are normally accessed through a web browser. You can perform search engine searches directly in the address bar of Firefox, Chrome, or through a web search engine. Difference between web browser and search engine. A search engine is a website that helps people find web pages from other websites, such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo are search engine. A browser is a piece of software that retrieves and displays web pages, such as Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, and Internet Explorer are example of browser. The confusion arises because, the first time someone launches a browser, the browser displays a search engine's homepage. How do I develop a website? Creating a website is a time-consuming process that can take anywhere from a few hours to several months. For developing a website, we need, first of all, a domain name. Second, we need a web server. And third, we need web development tools. What is a domain name? A domain name is a unique address for a website. Usually, it consists of a website name and a domain name extension. A memorable domain will strengthen your branding and help your audience find your website. What is a web server? A web server is a computer hosting one or more websites. Hosting means that all the web pages and their supporting files are available on that computer. The web server will send any web page from the website it is hosting to any user's browser, per user request. Web development tools. Developing a website is a very complex process. You should have to learn codes for developing a website like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP are the basic languages used for creating a website. If you do not know these programming languages, then you do not have to worry. You can also create a professional website if you do not know the programming language. There are numerous website builders available to assist you in creating your own website. Here are some of the most popular website builder sites that will help you create a website if you do not know the code. WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Symboli. WordPress. WordPress is a free open source platform, which means you can build and publish a website, in addition to implementing tons of plugins, for free. However, keep in mind that you'll need to either pay for web hosting or find a free web hosting provider, which typically displays ads, is less secure or offers poor performance. Wix. Wix is a popular no-code website builder. The drag-and-drop feature distinguishes Wix from competitors. This feature allows you to move around the position of a website's ad components, such as images and text, based on the way you want them to appear, which makes it a lot easier to customize web pages and offers a lot of control for people who want to customize their site without coding. Weebly. Weebly is another website builder that offers the same services as Wix, a free version without a custom domain, and the option to upgrade to a custom domain with a paid plan. Instead of a drag and drop feature, Weebly uses a structured editor, which means you organize your web pages by columns and rows. While this might provide less flexibility, a structured editor is often more than sufficient for a simple custom website. Squarespace. Squarespace is a well-known website building site that's tailored to beginners' unique needs. With Squarespace, beginners can create a professional-looking site without having to learn how to code or hire developers to do the work. Symboli. Symboli is an advanced website and funnel builder that provides the smoothest drag and drop features to create personalized web pages for any businesses. Users get to perform split tests on the designed pages and create flows with a few clicks to generate more traffic and turn them into customers. They can generate white label websites to provide customers with all the necessary information. Symboli helps businesses to develop e-commerce websites and sell their products in their own custom store. They can also manage leads, members, and forms in one place through CRM. WordPress. In this video tutorial, we will focus on WordPress and learn how to use it to create a beautiful website. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.